Hello, folks, and welcome. Today we are tackling another PicoCTF challenge. Today, let's try and find one that's worth a few more points than these. Let's see if we can have like some big points. I see this one, Pico Browser. Let's see what that's about. All right, it says this website can be rendered only by Pico Browser. Go and catch the flag. And here it is. It's a link. Guess we can go to the website. Okay. And then there's a way of accessing, I guess, something on the server. So, oh wait, is that the same thing? HTTPS, whereas this is not secure. All right, let's look at any references here. Looks like just some regular Bootstrap. All right, nothing too crazy here, I don't think. Unimplemented. Okay, so if we try clicking on these, it doesn't implement it yet. Okay, very good. Click the flag. Okay, you're not Pico Browser. Also, just like, how's it checking this stuff? So, let's. Is there a way I can trick them into thinking I'm the Pico Browser? What is this button? Okay, so it's an href, goes to flag. Oh yeah, so we're at the flag here, and so that's a specific website. So I assume there's maybe some kind of networking stuff that we can look at. No, how about some application stuff where we look at maybe the cookies, because that's also a thing. Look at cookies here. All right, I think this is showing you that you're logged in, and that's not the problem. I'm not quite sure. How does it know what browser you use? That's taken from the network, because when you send the network a request for this like information, I'll refresh it. You'll see that it sends along with the request the browser that you're in. I believe that's how that. Yeah, here, user agent, and you tell them the user agent. So what I basically need to do is set up the same request to this website, but with the user agent being Pico Browser. How do I do that? Let's go to the web shell. Okay, logged in. I believe there's a way of like getting the request here. Like, I believe you can just have it say get the curl request. Block request. No. Copy here. Copy as a curl command. Yeah, I think this is the one I need. So let's do that. And if I go here this, leave, that's the curl command. So let's see if I press enter. Press enter and it says you're not on there. Okay. So this is essentially the HTML, because we sent a request, a curl request, with all this information, which includes a bunch of headers. But the header that we want to change is the user agent, because we want to say, hey, we're actually this PicoCTF, Pico, what do you call it? Where is it? Or this Pico Browser. So we need to say, hey, we're the Pico Browser, and that will be the trick. And I need to edit this text. Okay, so here I just pressed up, and now I'm going to edit this text here. The user agent is now Pico Browser. Press enter. All right, bam, we got it right here. This is the the HTML, and we see that here. Oh my goodness. Okay, so let's see here. Here we go. Hey, we got it. Oh wow, that was I haven't really done too much curl requesting, but I know about it at least, and I was able to do it. Okay, not too bad. That was a little less painful than I thought it was going to be. Anyway, folks, if this is the kind of content you enjoy, please make sure to like, subscribe, do all the good things, and I will catch you next time. Take care.